Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, let us see how to use insert into select statement to insert the data from one table into another table. Well, the insert into select statement allows you to insert the data into a table by selecting data from another table. So this can be used to copy the data, combining data from multiple tables, or insert a data based on complex queries. Well, this insert into select statement is pretty useful whenever you want to take a backup of the existing table. Okay, so let us practically see how you can use insert into select statement to copy the data from one table into another table. So here in previous lecture we have seen how to use insert into statement. So let us continue using the employees table from the previous lecture. So here go to the command prompt, and here we have already used a couple of insert into statement in previous lecture. So here let us first see the employees table structure. For that, just type describe employees, hit enter. So this is the structure of employees table, and let us see what are the records in the employees table. For that, select star from employees, and here you can see employees table has 6 records. Next, let us say you want to take a backup of these records into different table. For that, what we can do is we can use insert into select statement. So before that, what we need to do is we need to first create one more table called employees underscore backup, and then we use insert into select statement to copy the data from this employees table into employees underscore backup table. So here let me first create a employees underscore backup table first. So here let me copy paste the script. So this is the create table statement to create employees underscore backup table with column ID, first name, last name, email. So this table has the same structure like the employees table structure. So whenever you want to take a data from one table into another table, then both table structures should be same. Okay, next hit enter. Employees underscore backup table is successfully created. In order to verify that, just type the command show tables. This will list out all the tables, and you can see company database has these 2 tables. Next, let us copy or insert the data from this employees table into employees underscore backup table. So in order to do that, we're going to use insert into select statement. Okay, so insert into select statement allows you to insert a data into a table by selecting data from another table. So here just type the command insert into and then employees underscore backup. So here we need to specify the table name in which we are going to insert the data. Okay, followed by parenthesis, and then here we can specify the column names like ID, first underscore name, last underscore name, and then email. Well, if both the table columns are same, then you can also ignore adding these columns like this, but it is good to have these columns over here so that we can see like in which column we are inserting the data, isn't it? Next, hit enter. Next, let us use the select statement to retrieve the data from employees table, and then this insert into statement will insert that data into this employees underscore backup table. So here just add select statement, select first underscore, select ID first, ID, and then first underscore name, last underscore name, email, and then from which table? Employees table. Next, hit enter, and here you can see 6 rows affected. It means 6 rows are inserted from employees table into employees underscore backup table. In order to verify this, just type the command select star from employees underscore backup. So here I am using the capital letters for the keywords for select, from, and other keywords. Okay, so just to distinguish between the tables and columns with keywords, I am using capital letters. Okay, next hit enter, and there we go. You can see employees underscore backup table has these 6 records. It means we have successfully used insert into select statement to insert the data from one table into another table. Alright, great. So in real-time project, we this kind of step whenever you want to take a backup of the existing table data. Alright, great. I will see you in the next lecture.